In this video, I'm going to show you how to do competitor analysis in Semrush. Now, there are two ways you can do. One, you can simply take in your competitor, domain and just go to the domain overview. And here, you want to give the domain and click on search, select the root domain. And you can also select the exact URL, but it doesn't matter, but you need to go for root domain to check entire, your competitor domain, including subdomain itself. Now, what you want to do is you can choose the target country which you want to research for. In my case, I'm just going to select United States, and here I want to click on compare domains. Now, you need to add your domain, okay? So let's just say I'm going to go with earth.org. Now, let's just say this is my domain and this is my competitor domain, and here I can compare and see what is overlapping and what not, and I can focus on what is not overlapping. Now if I compare these two domains, you can see the authority score, Semrush ranking, and organic traffic. It has both have difference of 1 million, so that's a 900k difference. Alright, organic keywords, you can see right here the top 1.6 million organic traffic has 300k keywords, while this earth.org has just 100k keywords. Now you can also see the backlinks, which is a 6.1 million. That's a lot of backlinks. Now, it doesn't matter what this metrics says. The best way to find your competitor analysis is through going through domain overview and just click on compare domains. Now the second thing what you want to do is go to the organic research. And here you will have two options which you want to fill in. One, you want to input your own domain. Second one, you want to input as your competitor domain. And here choose organic keywords, and both select the organic keywords and choose the country which you want to research for. You can also add up to 3 competitors, but I'm just going to click on compare. And what it does is it will show you in depth with a graph and every single thing, including the keyword difficulty, CPC, and the competitor density and results, right? And you can also see the missing, shared, weak, strong, untapped, unique, all. If you want to really, find your competitor keywords and rank fast, what you want to do is you want to go to the untapped and you want to focus on untapped keywords, right? You can also select the domain right here, and the next thing what you want to do is you need to focus on the strong keyword, because you want to build topical authority as fast as you can as a competitor, and then you can focus on missing. So this is the second way to build, get the competitor analysis in depth, and there'll be a link in the description for Semrush extended free trial. You can check that out. With that being said, catch you on the next one.